One of the things you need to think about next is inspirations and how do I get them for my wreaths. A wreath is to tell a story as far as I'm concerned, and it's like a picture. And the easiest way to go is to go to any out in the natural woods environment, landscapes, skyscapes, and you're going to create a little picture of what you just see and interpret it into a round form. And you want it to look like it means something to you as opposed to just slapping it onto a wreath, flowers that hit at every spot. I tend to make mine look more like a piece of artwork and more of a story or a photograph than I do, one flower here, one here, and in between. So it's more of an inspirational from nature, or you can go to a museum, look at artwork, or just start flipping through books and thinking of things that you like and don't like for on your wreath. So the first thing you need to do is have an inspiration, and the easiest way to do it is go out into nature.